Hey, I'm Evan Smith, and today I'm up here at VMP Performance in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. We got this 2014 Mustang GT. I got Alex right here, and what we wanted to do is see if we could hot rod this thing a little bit. So we got the idea to try to make this thing go 10s. So I figured, what's the easiest way to go 10s? I got on the phone with Alex, and he said, put a supercharger on it. So what are we doing here today?
What we're doing is we're installing a stage 1 kit on the car. Essentially, it's basically our base kit, but he did upgrade to a twin fan triple pass heat exchanger. That is going to allow for recoverability because he is a bracket racer. Sometimes they have to hot lap the car, and that'll allow for the car to recover temps real quickly and have consistent times since he is a bracket racer.
Right, so the guy who owns a car, he likes to bracket race it, but he also wanted to get that 10-second time slip.
Right.
It's a 2014 GT. It's 100% stock. We did take it to the track and run 1250 with some wheels and tires, but the engine is bone stock, stock tune, stock exhaust, stock torque converter. It made what, 349, about 349 at the wheels, and what are you expecting once we bolt on this blower kit?
Once we put this blower kit on, I expect easily 200 plus horsepower gain to the rear wheel. It can be in the high 5s or low 6s in terms of rear wheel horsepower, depending on how sweet the fuel is. He did drive down from Indiana, so he drove it down, got a whole bunch of work done. He's installing a twin 65 CJ throttle body on it, a JLT 123 cold air, 56-pound injectors, and the rest is basically a stage 1 kit. So it's going to be pretty basic, and I can guarantee this thing's going to make high 5s, no problem.
Right, so we take it to the track once we make the power. What are you predicting for ET?
The car in this weather, which is about 100, 200 DA, it should run 1080, 1090 easily. I'm saying you just foot brake it, go wide open throttle, the car should run 10s, no problem. These 6R80 cars in stock form, this thing has even stock mufflers, stock catalytic converters, stock everything. I guarantee this thing will run 10s, no problem.
All right, so let's finish up the supercharger install, put it on the dyno, and then we're going to head to the track.
Sounds good.
Wow, I just got back from making a run on the 2014 Mustang GT. This thing was bone stock. All we did to it was put on a VMP Supercharger with a JLT cold air, Mickey Thompson tires and JMS wheels. It's got a bone stock automatic, stock torque converter, stock exhaust, even stock mufflers, and it went 1079. That is fantastic. Blasted right into the 10s. It went 1250 before. The guys at VMP, they said it would go 10s with this kit, and it did it. I can't wait to get back on track and make some more passes. This thing is really fun.